Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore two methods to split text and numbers in Excel. We'll start by using formulas to extract the left and right parts of the text. Then, we'll delve into a more advanced approach using a VBA User Defined Function for greater flexibility. Let's dive into each method. Let's begin with the first method, which involves using formulas to split text and numbers in Excel. By combining the left and find functions, we can extract the leftmost and rightmost parts of the text separately. Follow along as we demonstrate how to implement this technique. If you want to split text and numbers, you can run the following Excel formula that use the min function, find function and the len function within the left function in Excel. And if you want to extract only numbers within string, then you also need to write function to combine with the above functions. To split the text and numbers, the key is to get the position of the first digit within the cell B1. Once the position of the first number is located, you can use the left function or right function to extract text characters or just numbers. To get the position of the first number with the cell B1, and you can use the following formula. Equals min, find, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The find function will locate the starting position of the first number within the cell B1. For the second argument in find function, the array constant is used, and the find function will use this array constant to perform a separate search for each number in the array. And then the returned value of the find function also will be an array that contains the position of all numbers in string. The min function will use the returned array value of the find function to get the minimal value. It is the position of the first number within the cell B1. To extract text characters within the cell B1, using the following formula. Equals left, B1, min, find, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 1. To extract numbers within the cell B1, using the following formula. Equals right, B1, len, B1, min, find, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1. You should see that the text has been split into two parts. The left part containing text characters and the right part containing numbers. Now, let's explore a more dynamic approach using VBA code to split text and numbers in Excel. By creating a user-defined function, we can extract both the leftmost and rightmost parts of the text with ease. Follow these steps to implement the VBA solution. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Developer tab. If not visible, enable it in Excel Settings, and click on Visual Basic in the Code group. In the VBA editor window, go to the Insert menu and select Module. This will create a new module in the project. Copy the provided VBA code. Paste the code into the newly created module in the VBA editor window. Close the VBA editor window by clicking the Close button, X, or pressing Alt plus Q. This will return you to the Excel workbook. In any cell of your Excel worksheet, enter the following formula. Equals split text and numbers, A1. After entering the formula, press the Enter key to execute the function. The cell displays an array containing two elements. The left part, text characters, and the right part, numbers. By following these steps, you can successfully run the provided VBA code to split text and numbers in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to split text and numbers in Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.